Hey, my name's Jack Nicholson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Labour over the weekend have announced something that sounds really good. It's going to make house buying cheaper and much faster. And I think this is probably one of the best things that they've talked about since they've been in government. Now, in this video, I want to talk about exactly what they're proposing, how this will work, why will it make it cheaper, why will it make it faster, and will it also have the opportunity to stop more housing deals, to stop them falling through, because lots of them, 500,000 deals fall through every single year. So if we can stop some of that, that's going to be good news. So in this video, we're going to talk about all of that and much, much more. But before we jump into this, if you're new around here and you haven't done already, do make sure you subscribe to the channel over there and hit that bell notification. We're a smidge away, so close we can taste it, from 50,000 subscribers. If you have a look around this video, you'll see how close we are. We're at 49,600 or something like that. So do subscribe. By subscribing, you'll get all the latest house price news, interest rate news. There's a lot of news coming up before the budget. We'll be talking about stamp duty and much, much more. And let's get some views on this video. Your part simple. All you need to do is smash like, tickle like, do something to the like button. That helps with the YouTube algorithm, and that really has helped the channel grow. So thanks to everyone that does that. So this is smart, I think, on Labour's part. Who's talking about this? It's a guy called Steve Reed, who is the Housing Secretary. And this, I think, is something that we should embrace, because look, it's easy to bash the government. Been quite easy in the last few months, hasn't it? Lots of silly ideas, things aren't going great, unemployment up, inflation's not moving anywhere. But this does sound like a smart initiative. So right now, it takes an average of 5 months to buy a house. Obviously, some take longer, and some can be done very quickly. Auction deals you've got to do in a month. But it's 5 months on average to buy a deal. Now, a lot of deals fall through. 500,000 roughly each year fall through for various different reasons. I've seen some of you talk about it on the channel. You were going to buy a property, and then when the searches come back, it's found that there's all sorts of problems there. I had a property that I bought that had something called chancel liability. I had never heard of chancel, or it had no idea what this was about. And that came back. My solicitor said, oh, there's a problem. And it isn't a big deal, but the way they phrased it sounded like it was terrible. So if you have a chancel issue, it means that that property is near a church, and that church, if they needed a new roof or major works done, they can go to people that live near the parish in certain addresses. Now, that isn't something that the Church of England normally follow up with, but they could. And so legally, mortgages, they don't like that kind of stuff. But the solution is just a £50 insurance. I made a video on that way back when we started the channel. I had hundreds of people comment on that how stressed they were about that. And then when they found out you just needed a £50 insurance, it went away. And so what the government is proposing is that things like that, this chancel liability, that it's just declared upfront. So when I purchased the property that I did, it wasn't mentioned. My solicitor found it by doing the searches and stuff like that. And so what they're saying is that sellers will get info upfront, and mortgage companies will be made to accept that information. So there'll be a pack when you go to list on Rightmove. You'll have to do more work. So this will be more work for estate agents, but I think in the long run, it will work better for them. And so the government are estimating that this will save buyers around £710. So that's in not having so many searches. The solicitor's fees should be a little bit cheaper because they won't have so much work when they're doing the purchase. So that's all pretty good stuff. But it will cost someone some more money. And they're saying that sellers will be charged about £310 extra. Now, I don't think that's a problem, and I think that makes selling more serious. So if a person goes to list a property, they can get the searches kicked off with the council, not waiting. We don't need to wait. Why do we need to wait? Like, all the searches that are going to come back from the county council, get those done when you list the property. That's going to make a big difference and make it a lot faster and a lot fairer. And then when you're looking at properties on Rightmove, you'll be able to see this kind of stuff. And so this is some of the information that they want you to get sorted. Anything to do with the leasehold, that's important. So some listings on Rightmove will say just basic information. For example, they'll say the lease has got 99 years, 999 years, whatever it is. They'll have a little bit more detail on that. But what they're saying now is that you've got to give all the information. What's the monthly charge? What's the sinking fund on there? What's the probability of some major works happening in the next 12 months? Is that being discussed? That sort of stuff being listed in there is going to make it a lot faster, because you could go to buy a leasehold flat and they wouldn't tell you all of that, but that will come up in the discovery when the solicitor contacts the freeholder. They'll get back, look, this leaseholder here is in arrears, or this lease is short, or we're planning a major roofing project. It's good to get that stuff up front, and that will speed things up significantly. They also want you to go through in more detail about like the condition of the property. You'll see some of this on viewings, but look, if you know that there's subsidence and all that sort of stuff, just get that stuff out ahead of time. Like, don't make it a hidden thing that you're hoping someone won't find. This sort of stuff is going to be good. And another thing they want to talk about, that you'll have to talk about when you're selling, is how big's the chain? Who's in the chain? What stage are they at in the chain? That is good, because when you go in to buy, you'll get a real understanding on how long the chain is. Is it waiting for you to move quickly, or is it just started? All of this information, I think, is going to be very, very good. So I think this is a great idea from Labour. And they also want to have an option in there that you can have a legally binding contract. So, for example, when you buy in Scotland, when you start the process, you can't back out. And a lot of people think that we should be looking at that sort of thing as well down in England as well. So when you buy a property and you're going through the process, you can't just leave at the last minute just before you exchange contracts. There's more of a binding agreement in there, and that's what they're looking to add into this as well. So I think this is good. I think this will speed up sales. I think this will make more sales complete. I think you'll see a massive reduction in houses that don't complete. So I think this is a big win all round. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do like the video. Do subscribe if you haven't. Let's get 50,000 this week if we can. And if you haven't grabbed it already, do grab Mortgage Secrets. How to get the best mortgage deal in 2025 and beyond is in the description. This will help you find the best broker. It will teach you when's the right time to start your remortgage process or your mortgage process. And we give you a list of off-market lenders. Think about things like Direct Line for cars. Well, there's lenders that are off-market for mortgages as well. So click in the description to grab this, or click in the pinned comment. Do check out all the other content as well on the channel, including this video right here.